How can entrepreneurs protect personal assets with legal structures? Imagine starting a new business in midlife and wanting to keep your personal savings safe from business risks. That's where choosing the right legal structure comes into play. When entrepreneurs set up their business properly, they can shield their personal property from debts or lawsuits related to the business. This is especially important if you have accumulated savings, a home, or retirement funds you want to protect. One of the most common options is a limited liability company, or LLC. An LLC creates a legal barrier between your personal assets and your business liabilities. If your business faces a lawsuit or owes money, your personal property like your house or savings usually stays safe. Setting up an LLC is straightforward. It typically costs between $200 and $500 to register in most states and takes about 1 to 4 weeks. You will need to file articles of organization with your state and create an operating agreement. Maintaining the LLC involves filing annual reports and paying state fees, which vary but are generally under $100 each year. Another popular choice is a corporation, including the type called an S corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity that limits your personal liability. If the business gets sued or owes money, your personal assets are protected beyond your investment in the company. Forming a corporation involves filing articles of incorporation, which costs around $100 to $300, and paying annual franchise taxes or fees. An S corporation allows profits and losses to pass through to your personal tax return, avoiding double taxation. However, it has restrictions on the number of shareholders and types of shareholders, so it's best suited for smaller businesses. Limited partnerships are another option. They have 2 types of partners: general partners who manage the business and are personally liable, and limited partners who invest money but don't participate in daily operations. Limited partners' liability is limited to their investment, making this structure good for investors who want to avoid risking personal assets beyond their initial contribution. Setting up a limited partnership involves filing a certificate of limited partnership, which costs about $50 to $200, and creating a partnership agreement. To strengthen asset protection, keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a dedicated business bank account and credit card. Avoid mixing funds to maintain clear separation. Using trusts can add an extra layer of security. An asset protection trust legally holds your assets outside of your personal ownership, making it harder for creditors to reach them. Having solid business insurance is also smart. Policies like general liability, professional liability, and umbrella coverage can cover legal costs and damages, protecting your personal wealth. Finally, always use well-drafted contracts and follow legal requirements for your business. Proper documentation and compliance help keep your legal protections intact. For those in midlife making a career change, these legal structures are especially important. They help safeguard your personal assets while you build your new venture. Choosing the right setup, keeping finances separate, and staying compliant can give you peace of mind as you pursue new opportunities. Remember, forming an LLC or corporation is usually the best way to protect your personal property. Combining this with good legal practices and insurance creates a strong shield against potential business risks.